Hello, my dear students. This is Shobna Sharma, faculty of Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. Welcome to our computer class. So, not wasting much time, let's begin to the index part. So, children, as I told you earlier also, every time whenever we are doing the notebook work, we have to maintain the index. So, this time also we have to maintain the index. So, for this, first we will write the serial number, that is 5, the starting date, that is 2/6/2020. Chapter 2, what we are doing this time? We are doing the exercise. The question is question number 1. So this time, whatever you are doing, you have to write that thing only in your index part. So not wasting much time, let's begin to our exercise. So for this, open a new page of your computer notebook, write today's date 2/6/2020. On the first line, write exercises. Question number 1. Who am I? Write my name in the blank. A part, I am an output device. I am used when you want to listen to sound that is stored on your computer. I can be placed on your desk, on the floor or on the wall. Then you have to write the fill-ups and the answer is speakers. Now why it is? Because with the help of speakers only we can listen the sound that is stored on the computer. Now children, just have a look to these pictures. These pictures you have to draw in your computer notebook on the left side. So children, these pictures are the parts of the computer. First is the monitor, then it is a switchboard, then speakers, then printer, then mouse, then keyboard, and at last is the CPU. So with the help of these parts only you have to give the answers. Now comes the B point. I am an output device. I am used in offices, schools, etc. to make many copies of the text entered in the computer. I can make these documents fairly quickly. Then the answer is printer. So children, why it is printer? Because with the help of printer only we can make multiple copies of the text which is written on the computer. Now the next is the C point. I am an input device. I help you in typing commands and you can see them on the monitor. I have many keys on my body. Now children, you have to guess the answer what it can be. It is having multiple keys also on his body. Now what can be the answer? The answer is keyboard. Yes, you all are right. So children, with the help of keyboard we can type on the computer. Now comes the last point, that is D point. I am neither an input nor an output device. I process the information and give the output. Now children, this I told you earlier also that it is neither an input nor an output device. It is called a processing device. So what will be the answer? The answer is CPU. Yes, you all are Right. So you have to write the answer CPU. Yes, very good. So now it is the time for the homework. So today's homework is, dear parents, kindly go through the PDF file and help your ward to complete the given exercise of chapter 2 in the computer notebook. Now at last, stay safe, stay at home, sanitize yourself, take care of your family and yourself, and do study in this lockdown period. Thank you.